What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Get YouTube channel. My name is Brad. We are on the way to AZ Euros right now. They just moved into their new building, and as of yesterday got their in-floor Mustang Dyno going. So we're going to do some training on it today, kind of figure out the ins and outs of the Mustang Dyno, how everything operates, how to set it up, and then we will do some pulls and some cars, kind of see how things vary depending on the setups of the cars, and all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, that kind of stuff. So I'm super stoked. We're going to be doing a lot of tuning on that dyno with AZ Euros, and just generally tuning in general. So I'm really excited for it. Things have been going really well with the Cobb system. I'm really amazed at how well the access port operates, and how easy it is to flash and data log. So I'm really stoked that we decided to pair up with them. I'm currently on about E40 right now in the tank, and it's running really good. Let's see if we can do a pull here in the fourth gear. Awesome sign. Horsepower.
I said 298.
Damn. 295, 380. 380.
It's not bad. I said 298.
Yeah, it was a pretty right on guess. Alright. B5S4 Avant. It is stage 3 KO4. It's got unknown tune on it, but this is the first B5S4 on AZ Euros dyno. Like it has possibly an early WDR Y pipe. Kind of tough to say, but just a guess. Upgrade diverter valves, 034X intake, so should make close to 400, I would think. big, close to 400. I mean, that's.
I would love that.
It's a good guess. It is hot though. I mean, it's 100 and what is it? 104 right now, and pretty high humidity. So
With 36%
yeah, so it's
humidity.
98 degrees and 36% humidity. So humidity is pretty high for Arizona.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy, actually. Dude, 186 on this thing.
And it's warm.
186, it's,
Yeah, it's
I got a little warm.
Yeah.
Fans are on.